You've probably heard the usual advice. If she's not interested, just move on. Or maybe try harder to prove yourself. But here's the truth. Most men don't want to hear. Women don't miss men because they need them. They miss men who know how to create a powerful emotional presence, even when they're not around. This isn't about cheap pickup lines or fake tactics. It's about understanding female psychology on a deeper level, so you can position yourself in a way that makes her think about you, even if she wasn't interested at first. Sounds unlikely? It's not. Indifference isn't permanent. It's just a reaction. And if you know how to flip that reaction, you can completely shift the way a woman sees you. Now, let's get something clear. Making a woman miss you isn't about chasing, begging, or proving your worth. Those are the fastest ways to destroy attraction. Women don't respect men who try too hard. What actually makes her miss you is the complete opposite. It's not about being constantly available, it's about becoming unforgettable. So in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step. You'll learn how to spark curiosity, earn respect, and eventually trigger desire, even from a woman who once overlooked you. And by the end, you'll understand this. Making her miss you has nothing to do with luck. It's all about psychology and knowing how to play the game differently. Why chasing kills? Attraction. Here's the first key lesson. Chasing kills attraction. Most men don't want to hear this, but the harder you chase a woman, the faster she pulls away. On the surface, chasing feels natural. You like her, so you put in effort, you show interest, you try to prove your worth. But in reality, female psychology almost always flips this against you. Why? Because chasing shifts the balance of power. Instead of her feeling lucky to have your attention, it makes you look like the one desperately seeking hers. And let's be honest, nobody craves what they already have too much of. If you're always calling, texting, or trying to impress her, you remove any space for her to actually miss you. Think about it. If someone gave you free food every single day, would you ever crave it? Probably not. But the second it disappears, suddenly, you realize how much you want it. That's exactly how attraction works. Women don't miss men who smother them. They miss men who create space, scarcity, and mystery. And here's the hidden danger. Chasing doesn't just make you look needy. It also reveals insecurity. It signals to her that you don't see yourself as valuable enough to stand still and let her come to you. And nothing kills attraction faster than insecurity. Women are naturally drawn to men who have options, value their time, and don't need to beg for attention. If you want a woman, even one who seems uninterested, to start missing you, the first rule is simple. Stop chasing. Step back. Give her room to notice your absence. That silence will speak louder than 100 text messages. Picture this. You're texting her 3 times a day, but her replies are short and dry. Most men would panic and text even more. Instead, pull back. Don't message her at all for 2 days. What usually happens? She starts to wonder where you went, checks your profile, maybe even reaches out first. By not chasing, you created the space for her curiosity to grow. Silence speaks louder than texts. Most men think constant communication will win her over. They send good morning, midday check-ins, and good night messages every single day. It feels like effort, but to her, it quickly becomes routine. And routine kills excitement. When your words are always available, they lose their value. Silence, on the other hand, creates tension. It makes her wonder, why isn't he texting me? What's he doing? Who's he with? That curiosity plants the seed of missing you. In psychology, curiosity is far more powerful than familiarity. Here's the truth. Attention is a currency. When you hand it out non-stop, it feels like loose change. always there, never special. But when you pull back, even for a short while, your attention suddenly feels rare. And people crave what's rare. Now, don't confuse silence with immaturity. This isn't about ignoring her or playing childish games. It's about balance. It's about showing that your life doesn't revolve around her messages. A man who isn't glued to his phone, waiting for her reply, radiates confidence, independence, and self-respect. That's exactly what makes her lean in. Here's the thing. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say to a woman is nothing at all. Silence speaks. Imagine this. You've been texting her daily, but suddenly her replies slow down. She takes longer, maybe even skips a response. Most guys panic. They double text, triple text, trying to pull her back in. Big mistake. Instead, you pull back. No messages for a full day. What happens? She feels the shift. She notices the silence. She checks her phone expecting your name, maybe even sends the first message herself. That pause, that absence, created more impact than any words could. Stop being too available. Here's mistake number 3, being too available. A lot of men think being on call 24/7 proves their interest. You cancel plans with friends just in case she reaches out. You reply within seconds. You make sure she knows you're always there. Sounds like effort, right? But in reality, it makes you predictable, boring, forgettable. Think about it. When something is always easy to get, you stop valuing it. That's not just dating, that's life. Remember the time you chased something important. Maybe a dream job, a rare item, or a goal that felt out of reach. The very fact it wasn't easy made you want it more. But the moment something was handed to you without effort, it didn't feel special. Same principle here. Women don't crave men who orbit around them. They're drawn to men with their own lives, passions, and priorities. Men who sometimes say, I can't, I'm busy. Men who don't need constant validation. Why? Because independence is magnetic. It shows you're not desperate. It shows you have value outside of her attention. Here's the truth. The more available you make yourself, the less she feels the need to miss you. But when you create space, when you show that your world doesn't revolve around her, that's when she feels your absence. And that's when the missing begins. Mystery beats honesty. Every time mystery beats honesty every single time. We've all heard the saying, honesty is the best policy. And sure, honesty matters in relationships. But when it comes to attraction, being too honest too soon kills the spark. Most men think that if they just lay all their cards on the table, share every thought, every plan, every feeling, they're building connection. In reality, they're destroying the very thing that fuels attraction. Mystery. Because attraction isn't logical, it's emotional. And nothing stirs emotion stronger than curiosity. When a woman doesn't fully know what you're about, she imagines. She fills in the blanks. She wonders where you're going, what you're thinking, and why she can't quite figure you out. That wondering keeps her hooked. But the second you over-explain yourself, when you act like an open book from day one, there's nothing left for her to imagine. And if there's nothing to imagine, there's nothing to chase. Think about your favourite movies or books. What keeps you glued? The suspense? The unknown? If the whole story spoiled itself in the first 5 minutes, you'd lose interest. Women feel the same way about men. A guy who spells out exactly how he feels, where he's going, and what he's doing removes the suspense. And without suspense, there's no thrill. The truth is, mystery creates value. When you don't reveal everything, you force her to pay attention. You make her think about you even when you're not there. Missing you begins in the mind, long before it hits the heart. So yes, honesty has its place. But if you want a woman, even one who wasn't interested at first, to crave your presence, remember this. It's not what you tell her that makes her miss you. It's what you don't. Never compete for her attention. 5. Never compete for her attention. Too many men fall into this trap. She posts a picture, they rush to comment, another guy makes her laugh. They suddenly feel the need to be funnier, louder, more available, like they have to outshine every other man around her. Let's be blunt, that's weak, and women can sense weakness instantly. Here's the reality, if you're competing for her attention, you've already lost. Because real men don't compete, they attract. A man who knows his worth doesn't care who else is texting her, who's double tapping her photos, or who's trying to win her over. He's not worried about being the loudest guy in the room. His presence alone does the work. That's the difference. Boys compete, men attract. He knows his worth doesn't need proving. If she can't recognize it, that's her loss. This is the wake-up call most men need. Stop putting women on pedestals. Stop treating her attention like a trophy you have to earn. That mindset screams desperation. And desperation never earns respect. The harder you chase, the quicker she'll pull away and give her focus to the man who isn't begging for it. Women are drawn to men who create demand, not men who beg for supply. The moment you stop competing for her and start living as if you are the prize, everything changes. She'll realize your time, your focus, and your energy are valuable, and suddenly she'll want them more. So here's the truth. If you're still fighting for her attention, you're already saying she's above you. Flip the script. You set the standard. She should be the one competing for you. Confidence is more addictive than love. Confidence is what hooks her, not love. That's the hard truth most men avoid. You can pour out affection, write essays, and prove how much you care. But if you lack confidence, none of it matters. Because love without confidence feels like weakness. And weakness isn't attractive. Confidence, on the other hand, is magnetic. It's that invisible presence that makes people stop and notice. It's not arrogance. It's not trying to act superior. True confidence is quiet. It's in your posture, your voice, your calmness under pressure. Think about it. How many times have you seen a woman choose the man who wasn't the nicest or even the best looking, but he had that unshakable belief in himself? That wasn't an accident. Women respond to confidence because it signals strength, stability, and leadership. Love might touch her heart, but confidence ignites her desire. And here's where men go wrong. They confuse confidence with words. Real confidence doesn't talk. Real confidence shows. It's about making decisions without second guessing, standing firm in your opinions instead of bending just to keep her happy, being comfortable walking away when respect isn't on the table. That kind of confidence doesn't just make a woman attracted to you, it makes you unforgettable. So here's the wake-up call. Love alone won't make her miss you. Love without confidence turns into neediness. And neediness? It pushes her away. Confidence is what sticks in her mind long after you've left. That's what keeps her restless at night. That's what makes her miss you, even when she swore she wouldn't. 7. Make her think she's losing you. Nothing makes a woman miss a man faster than the fear of losing him. It's human nature. People don't value what's guaranteed. They value what could slip away. And here's where most men get it wrong. They lock themselves into a woman's life too soon, acting like a permanent fixture, even when she hasn't earned it. Here's the truth. If she knows you'll always be there no matter what, she has zero reason to chase you, to appreciate you, or to miss you. But the moment she senses your energy shifting, your focus drifting, suddenly everything changes. Doubt creeps in. What if he's moving on? What if another woman is catching his eye? What if I've lost my chance? That fear is powerful. It sparks desire. But let's be clear, this isn't about manipulation. It's about self-respect. You're not pretending to pull away. You're showing that your world doesn't revolve around her, that if she doesn't value you, someone else will. And that's what makes her feel your absence. The lesson is simple. Stop making yourself a guarantee. Be willing to walk away. Be willing to let her sit in the silence. Be willing to let her imagine life without you. That's when she'll miss you most. Because nothing stings more than realizing she had a man she can't get back. The harsh truth? Women don't miss the nice guy. They miss the man who has the strength to walk away. You can be sweet, caring, and loving, but if you don't create space, she won't value you. She'll forget you. The man who respects himself enough not to beg. That's the man she chases. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever chased too hard? Or maybe experienced how silence pulled her back? Share your story in the comments. I'll be reading and giving feedback. This isn't just my channel. It's a community of men learning to understand female psychology and win respect, not lose it. And before we wrap up, here's what's coming next. Why giving a woman your full loyalty too soon could be the very reason she pulls away. So hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next video.